Good day from the Office of the Mob Justice Football. Let's take an opportunity and welcome Osihle Nduli, defensive midfielder, 29-year-old from Stellenbosch. I just want us to profile Osihle Nduli. To profile in simple term is just to talk about the player. How will the player fit into the style play of Orlando Pirates Football Club? How are we expecting him to contribute into the teams, age-wise? And lastly, is he the future as compared to the last midfielder that we once had? It's a defensive midfielder playing in first division, work his way into the PSL from Cape Town All Stars. He also played Witbank Spurs. He played TS Galaxy. He played for Stelis. He spent 4 years at TS Galaxy though. A brilliant individual. Age-wise 29. What can he offer us? Just to work around this contract, how much are they going to give him in terms of longevity? Because obviously for figures we're not sure about that. Noting that next year he's turning 30, I think they might give him a 3-year contract with an option of 1 year of extension, meaning that at the age of 34, depending on whether his legs will be able to carry him, that's where there's going to be an extension of 1, and then each child just like that. It's not easy to stay in more demanding teams because the expectation tends to be high. Can we compare him with the likes of Andile Jali, Clifford Ngobeni, Makishen Makaula, a number of defensive midfielder that we once had in the era? I think yes, we can be able to compare him, but we can't really compare him with the likes of Isaac Chansa, Isaac of Ace Manyisa, but we can compare him with Makishen Makaula and Andile Jali. That kind of style, we must not expect goals from Osihle. That's it's being factuality. We're just being honest about that. Very disciplined player. So in terms of discipline, that's where we can compare him with the likes of Uchansas, not Ogonko. So yes, very disciplined player. What more can we talk about this player? What's the aim of Paris signing him? The aim of Paris signing him, it's for him to be the pillar of the young stars. So we're looking on a brighter side, using a certain tools for us to reach that point. It means that for your likes of Dancy, your likes of Silepe to survive, they need Osihle to do the defensive part of it. That's what we usually did with the likes of Makishen Makaula. When he came, we already know that he's a bit old, but we know that he was there to protect Talent Matter. He was there to protect your likes of Goodman Musele, and number of them. Just others didn't get the chance, like your Raswatch. So that's what we're expecting from Osihle, and we're expecting maximum he can stay 5 years, minimum he can stay for 3 years, depending on the revolving of football in South Africa in terms of age-wise. whether the legs can be able to carry you and all those stuff. So it's going to compete with the likes of Makhehle Makaula, whom is a starter on the defensive midfielder, and we know that Pirates does need a defensive midfielder. Goodman Musele, who else? Raspocha, Raspocha as well. Your likes of Sleep as well. So it's just going to be a fierce competitor there at the midfielder, and I feel like it's going to fit well into the style of Orlando Pirates Football Club. Jersey number, he is wearing just number 8, and Makhehle Makaula uses number 8. Can Makaula welcome Ntwana and give him his jersey? We're not sure yet about that. But we know that jersey number 4 now it's available. Can he take it? We're not sure about that. So let's see, Buccaneers, what do you think about the signing of Osihle Nduli? Will he fit into the style of Pirates? Is he a great player? Because at some point we need to revolve and go back to, you see, in Mbata we slowly getting that Esmanyesa that will be able to take the long range and all those things. But this is Sihle coming to a club that is so demanding like Pirates, where you can play up to 52 games, including the CAF. I think it fits so well because he got how many caps for Stelis? I think 60 something, and then for TS Galaxy got almost 77. So it's a player that can stay in a team. I'm not sure about the Beaver. I don't know the boy that much, but here is Osihle Nduli. Buccaneers, even tomorrow make another video of other players so that we try to profile them. But I think Osihle worked his way up, and akajump is vele ne age ungathi age yakhe